Hi, this is Robin Moses, and I'm here with Nameless, and we are going to do some nails for a rock concert video girl nail type thing. So let me scroll on down. For my main attraction nail, I'm gonna do just a really pretty girl's face. I started with black, red. Do you see how you guys say sometimes that your acrylic is runny? This is because I didn't shake it good right here. So I shook it good and re-poured right here. And then here's the lighter red and black, and then I made blonde hair. And what I did to make, this is really super bright yellow. Touch of yellow into the, touch of purple into the yellow, and you're gonna get more of a muted yellow color. Then I'm gonna add white to it, and that will be her hair color. Basically. Okay, so now we start with the eyes. I want her eyes to be big and black and like just makeup all over the place. What's the name of the concert?
In This Moment and Hailstorm.
There. Thank you. So these are girls that are like hardcore little rock girls. And they have like lots of makeup and cool. Well, they're like Nameless a little bit. So, so we're making one. And this is not unlike, it's kind of like Patrick Nagel a little bit more updated. And that. And I just want the top of her lips in here. I basically want the eyes. That, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so now with the white, I'm going to add a little tiny bit of black so that it's a little tiny bit gray white. Mostly white. Here's white. Oops, that's a little bit yellow. I don't want to give her jaundice. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to put her little whites into her eyes. I might give her some purple eyeshadow. What? Since I have my purple out. And light purple. Blend, 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 blend.
Awesome.
Blend. Keep blending. Never enough blending. Blend, 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 blend. Oh yeah, she's hot. Alright, now for her skin tone, I'm going to mix red and this yellow hair color together over here. Add a little bit of white, a little bit of white. Come on, Rob, a little bit more. And then I'm going to really make a nice wash. If you work from the same palette, you're never going to get things that are out of color. They're all going to match. So I'm just going to just highlight her face. Just a little bit, like in a wash. It's not going to be like a portrait. It's just going to be kind of like a wash of color. Okay. Now, with the yellow paint mixture that I made, I'm going to do her hair. And it's going to be striped along the side of her face. It's going to pull all of the nail together. Okay, now the basic face is in. Now I have to go into the other ones and And I want it to be very wrought irony across the nails in a, I don't know, haphazard way. Nothing. And go in and do stripes from there so it looks like a wrought iron gate. Then with the dark and bright red, I am going to place the blood. Now the blood is going to be all hanging down, dripping. Okay, I'm going in. I've done like a few highlights on this. I had to move one eye closer to the other. I made it too far apart. So I moved in one eye closer. Now I'm making them the same purple as her eyeshadow. Like that. Boom. That looks way better. I took the same color right here for her skin tone that I was using, added a little bit more white right here. It's like water. And then I went in and I highlighted her nose area, her highlights of her eyebrows, above her cheek, on the tops of her lips, on the tops of her nose, that. And then I can do her lips, highlighting like that. And then I used her hair color and went there and I made her face shape like that. Okay, so Nameless said that we need spikies if we're going to have blood, and she's right. So I'm going in haphazardly with black little spikes through my wrought iron. Yes. Too thick, so I have to thin it down to water, add white. There's still a little bit yellow on my brush. Water, water, white, 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 white. Okay, to like this, where it's just water. Now, with the white water, I'm just going to go in and highlight where I want it to see her little nose. Her cheeks are highlighted. And then where her lips go, highlighted like this. Then on the other side, I'm going to make her cheek. Go with her lips, around her lips, and that makes her face. Doesn't have to be perfect. I want it to be very watercolor looking, so I'm going to make purple and then the white and make a light purple color, and that will be the color of her eyes. So I'm just going to dot that in, dot, 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 dot. And then with her yellow hair, I'm going in. The singer of the band of, is it one band has yellow?
In this moment.
Yeah, in one band she has blonde hair. Should I do one with blonde and one with black? I could do that. I think I'm gonna. She's gonna have black. Does it? Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay, so there she is like that. I'm going to paint a few more little sprigs of hair like that. Okay, perfect. Then on these, can I see a picture of a crow? Thanks. Good Lord. I can't see. They're also flyy. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, thank you. While I do that, I'm going to paint some blood. So we're going to go down here like that, and then it's going to come down on the bottom area of the wrought iron. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Oh my god. Gosh, I laugh so hard. Why is that yellow in all my white? Is it underneath? God. Okay. Do 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 do. There. And then I'm going to paint eyelashes. Gorgeous. And bottom. And I think I might make some more pupils. Just a little bit rounder. Like that. So that I can highlight with better straight round circles. Dude. Dude. Awesome. And I will top coat after I'm going to add a little bit of red glitter to the blood. Thank you. I'll be right back. All right, and we are back with my what is this? So this is my Concert Girl nails, our Concert Girl nails. We came up with this together. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So keep an eye out and try these. And if you do try them, show them to me at Robin Moses fan page on Facebook, or Robin Moses Nail Art is my fan page name. And I think that's all. Except for thanks for watching, and I'll see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye.
Bye.